So children, we were doing spelling and grammar thing part of this chapter in the previous video, and we shall continue with that. So we have seen this, that how you can practice this thing. Okay, now let's move ahead with this para on page number 46. If you want to check the spelling and grammar all at once, you have to make sure that the automatic spelling and grammar check is turned on. Okay, and where it is located? Here in the review tab under this spelling and grammar. Fine. The following steps are used to turn on automatic spelling and grammar check. First, you will click the review tab on the ribbon. Means in the ribbon, usually this is on almost all the time, that is home option is on. But for this, for switching it on spelling and grammar, you will go to this tab, that is review tab. Click spelling and grammar for the proofing group. From the proofing group, this is proofing group because we are doing the corrections. Whenever any correction is being done to any document, it is called proofreading. So this is proofing group. Okay, then the spelling and the grammar dialog box appears with the wrong spelling highlighted in red and with a list of suggestions. Select the required word from the list and click on change button. I told you that this kind of box will appear, and here you will change. These suggestions will be there. You can ignore or you can change. Okay, and as you continue with the document, it will keep on showing the suggestions for all the mistakes. Okay, now it's up to you whether you want to ignore or you want to change. Now, do you know, in spelling and grammar dialog box, autocorrect option automatically corrects spellings as you type without confirming each correction. Means there is a option that is of autocorrect which will automatically correct the spellings, and you will not be shown this dialog box. Okay, this dialog box will not be shown as you will continue typing, and it will not confirm from you also. For example, if you type governments, here n is not there, and then type a space or other punctuation, autocorrect automatically replaces it with the correct spelling of government. Okay, so this option is also there. So if you want to use this option, you can use this option also. Okay, so this is all about today's class, and we are almost towards the end of this chapter, children, and you need to revise whatever you are doing in this chapter again and again, because it is a very important chapter, and you need to go through the practical videos also. And one more thing for this week, because this class is a bit short, so I am giving you a homework. Okay, on page number 48, you can see there are various keyboard shortcuts are given to you, shortcut keys. Can you see this? Okay, there are 22 keyboard shortcuts given to you. You have to learn all these keyboard shortcuts. Okay, these keyboard shortcuts are being used in this chapter till now for various actions, and some are quite new, like control plus K, insert hyperlink for the selected text. This is a bit new. Okay, so you have to learn all these keyboard shortcuts. Okay children, I may ask you in your exam, because this chapter will come for the exam and not for the unit test. So this I may ask you for your exam. Okay, so you will learn all these during this weekend and during this week. Okay, and we shall meet in the next class with the practical videos, as well as we will continue with the chapter, that is we will learn about the tables. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.